What's up, everybody? Sean Profera here with Roland DGA, and I couldn't be more stoked to talk to you about the all-new VG4 540 and 640, the brand new member to the TrueVis lineup, and we are super excited to talk to you about all the new features, the new ink, and the new technology upgrades. So let's take a little bit of a deeper dive around this bad boy. First off, let's start with some of the basics. Let's talk about the media compatibility with the 540 and 640. 54-inch version, 64-inch version, hence 540 and 640. So we can accommodate obviously up to a 54-inch roll or a 64-inch roll, depending on which model we roll with. And like all of our TrueVis units, we've got several ultra-wide pinch rollers running across the platen here to accommodate for very, very easy and accurate tracking. With all of our units here on the VG4 series, we are including the take-up reel. It is a smart take-up, and some of those new features are part of that system as well. We can accommodate it up to a 99-pound roll. So that's really gonna help with a lot of your common materials, whether they're 54-inch, 60-inch, or 63-inch. So we can really run through all of your common materials on this unit, being a very Swiss Army knife type of printer. Now let's talk about the ink. This is where we get into some real fun about this printer. You can see here we're back to a 500 milliliter paper-based cartridge system versus the pouch system that was on the previous versions of the VG series. We are also rocking a brand new ink set with the TR3 inks that are much like the pro level version of this in the XG. You can see also that we're running a new 8-color setup in the VG4 with the orange, green, and red now in this setup. We've also got the versatility aspect of this unit with the multiple ink configurations available depending on your applications. So if you're looking to maximize your output, we're gonna maybe go with the CMYK ×2 setup, and then we'll really truly get the most speed out of this. We also have a dual white setup for maybe printing on different clear applications. And with that said, let's talk about the new printhead technology that allows this unit to run up to 30 to 35% more efficient than the previous version. When we talk about new features on the VG4, we're talking about features that matter to our end users, that really help optimize their workflow. So when I mentioned that smart take-up in the beginning, we're talking about not only doing unattended printing, but we're talking about being able to utilize this for every type of printing we can do with the VG4. Well, now we can send literally a whole roll of stickers and do a print cut, including the take-up, without anything hitting the floor. In addition to that, we've actually got one of the best features yet, I think, and that's a new feature that allows us to print jobs directly from the 7-inch control panel here. It's our direct print function from a job management folder here on the panel, where we can source a job that's in our queue and print that directly from the panel without having to go back to our rip station. So much like the job that's printing right now, we source that straight from the panel and sent that job. Overall, the VG4 series is a feature-packed printer-to-cutter device that allows us to run at a pro level. With things like the TR3 inks, the brand new printhead technology allowing us to run far more efficient than we ever have with the VG series, this is definitely a device to consider for your shop. So for more information, contact a Roland dealer today or contact us at rolanddga.com.